how to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do is you have to open up your Instagram and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, you will open in a home page, and here you can either swipe from left to right, or you can tap on the add to story option in profile. After that, in the left lower corner, you can see the album option. Simply tap on that. So from here, you have to select the two story which you want to post on your Instagram. You can select two of them by simply tapping and holding the photo and selecting. After that, tap on next. So here you can see there are two photos. So if you want to add the same song in the story, then you have to tap on the emoji like option which is just beside the text option. After that, tap on the music option over here, and here select the music that you want to have. So the music is selected for this photo. Similarly, tap on the next photo, tap on the smiley icon, and here tap on the music. After that, select the same music that you have selected previously. After that, same song are selected in both photos. So by following this simple step, you can easily put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.